Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is my favorite video to do, and I do them once a month now, except for SAS time. Then every video of the month might be about this store. But you saw in the title, yes, y'all, Bath and Body Works, y'all. My monthly Bath and Body Works haul. So I call it the Bath and Body Works Roundup. The Bath and Body Works Roundup. So we're gonna talk about new items that released, new things that came out, things I found 75% clearance, just recapping, you know, finds for March, you know what I mean? So I hope you guys enjoy the way I'm doing the videos now. I gotta put my phone down. I hope you like the way I'm doing it now, because I know y'all like, oh, I'm tired of Bath and Body Works hauls all the time. So now I'm only doing them once a month. So I hope you guys enjoy that. And to my Bath and Body Works lovers, come on. We got other videos on the channel. Definitely check them out. So I'm trying to hurry up, make this video. Losing sunlight. I had to work today. I ain't got no makeup on, you know, looking a mess, but it's all good. It's all good in the hood, all right? So today they're having a sale. I don't know if this video is going to be up today because it's already 6 o'clock at night. So yeah, this video will probably go up on Sunday. So sorry if you missed the sale. But the aromatherapy 50% off plus an additional 20% off. Hear me again, all right? 50% off plus an additional 20% off with the coupon. And the new aromatherapy line was on sale. So y'all, I gotta get everything out of my bag. But let me show y'all what I got from the new aromatherapy line. There's 3 things in it. I only got, like, there's a pink packaging one, which I didn't get. It's another one that I didn't get. I don't know all the names, y'all. I don't. But this is the one I got because this is the one that smelled good, okay? And they were on sale for half off. So I got the Stress Relief, Sandalwood, and Eucalyptus. Y'all, how pretty is this packaging? How pretty. Look at that. That is some gorgeous packaging. And this is going to look so nice in the summertime. So I got the shower gel. I got the lotion. I didn't get the hard lotion, you know, in the pump. It's just, I don't know. I keep saying I should go back. I should go back right now and go get it. But I don't think it's that serious. But I got the cream because I wanted something a little bit thicker. And something that will last. Well, not last, but something that I can use up quick. Oh, it smells so good. I really do like this one. And I just like creams. I like creams more than I like lotions, but lotions last longer than creams. So it's like, it's a catch-22. And I got the Stress Relief in the Sandalwood and Eucalyptus. How cute is this packaging? And I really wanted to love the pink one because the pink one had the prettiest packaging of them all. But it stank. I didn't like it at all. Some people probably liked it, so just in my opinion, I didn't like the pink one. But yeah, this one was really good, so I got that. So that's the new aromatherapy line. They have a new spring collection line. Not too interested in it. If it goes on sale for like $6 for a body wash or something, I might grab one. You'll see it in the next haul. But not too into their new spring line as much. One thing I did want to tell you, that's why I had my phone out, y'all. A lot of items I'm going to show you I actually got for free. And let me show you how, okay? I told y'all this before about checking out IBOTTA. Go ahead. I'll leave the information for IBOTTA below. Use my reference code too. So, you know, that way I get credit for telling y'all about it. But with IBOTTA, you actually go in stores and you get money back. Like money off makeup, money off food. I use this and get money back on food. Like, who don't grocery shop? Who don't go to a grocery store, okay? So far with my IBOTTA, I have gotten $81. If you guys can see it, I've gotten $81. I'm almost to the $20 limit because after you get to $20, you can cash out. And I've been cashing out for Bath and Body Works cards because you can get Bath and Body Works gift cards. They're electronic gift cards that, boom, as soon as you cash out, boom, you get it. So guess what? Your girl done cashed out 3 times, okay, and got Bath and Body Works gift cards. How you doing, okay? So if you're gonna buy groceries anyway, definitely make sure to download the app and get things off your list that are on the app, and boom, money back. How you doing? So definitely check out IBOTTA because that's how I got a lot of these items, because my pockets ain't that, you know, deep. It's just not that deep, and daycare going up on me, so my pockets ain't that deep. So anywhere I can cut and get what I want without having to spend extra money, and there's things I was gonna buy anyway, why not? It makes sense. Now the Sweet Shop line has new soaps out. I smelled all of them except for the hot fudge, the hot fudge sundae one because they didn't have it in yet. But I did smell the ones that they had. So I did get a few of the new ones that are out. I got marshmallow, lavender marshmallow. The packaging is super, super cute and it smells so good. I really do like the smell of this. I love it. But this is my favorite. You already know what it is. Key lime pie. Well, this isn't called key lime pie. It's called key lime biscotti. Looks just like that. Biscotti. And I got 2 of them because it smells so good. It is amazing. So I definitely do recommend these soaps. I didn't get the pink petal tea cake. I don't like that. The cinnamon sugar donut, really don't care for that all that much. And of course the hot fudge sundae was not there, and it was another one, but I didn't like the smell of it either. So that's what I got from that. So that's in some of the new spring soaps. So everything else, is everything? Nope. We're gonna talk about another day. Okay, so they had soaps on sale for $2.95 because I don't want to get 75% off stuff yet. We'll wait on that. But they had another deal where it was $2.95 soap day. So your girl was there. And I got some soaps. So let me show you what I got. So the first one I got, and I think the packaging is so cute. This is Sun Drenched Peach in this white barn. And I just love the packaging. It reminds me of a nice vacation in Spain or something like that. Like, look at that. That is super cute. I love the packaging. So that's one of them. I got the Honolulu Sun, and this is made with micellar water. So I got that. Again, they were only $2.95. I got the Island Papaya Gentle Hand Soap in the foaming. I love the foaming because you use it up a lot quicker than with the other ones, because the other ones it takes longer to use, and I just like to use them up really quick and have the kids use them and use them up quickly. Cucumber and Lily I got for the kitchen, and it smells pretty good. And I got Fiji White Sands in that cute packaging. The last one is Sun Wash Citrus, and it looks just like that. This is the only one that I got in the deep cleansing hand soap versus the foaming because I didn't see it in the foaming, but it smells so good I just had to have it. Now on to the good stuff before I lose my lighting, because as you can see it's getting darker, y'all. I'm going to show you some 75% off and free stuff. So first thing is my free item, because they had this coupon pack where you got a free item, 20% off, and something else. I'm trying to look in my bag, see if I know what it was, but I don't remember. But my free item I got was this. This is the Rejuvenating Under Eye Mask. I've been waiting to use it. I didn't use it all last month because I've been waiting to record this video. So I'm going to use it tonight. So it will be in this month's empty so I can let you guys know about it. Got loofahs. Yes, I did. I got loofahs, y'all. The original price on these, I think they're $3.75 or something like that. No, they're $4.50. They were 75% off. I got 3 of these. Then I got this cute little unicorn one. These were going for $1.50 that day. So I have 4 of them. I bought this, which is a cute little pocket bag, and that's what helped me get the eye mask for free. That pocket bag is just oh so cute. A pocket bag holder. And then I got a regular pocket bag holder, you know, a little fancy dancy one, you know, a little cutesy cutesy. So I got this one. I got the Winterberry Wonder. This is the iridescent shimmer. It's just a glow dust. It looks just like this. Really pretty packaging, and y'all, 75% off. The original price on this is $18.50. I would have never gotten it for $18.50, even though I really wanted to try it. I ain't paying no $18.50. So when it was on sale, I definitely had to grab one. My outlet was doing the thank you candles, which is in the scent Champagne Toast, which is my favorite scent, for $8. So I did pick up one, just one. It's just the thank you. Looks just like that. Just a thank you candle. I love Champagne Toast so much. Let's talk about the $2 holla, okay? They had some $2 holla items. Oh my goodness, and I had to take advantage of them. This is the Champagne Toast mini lotions. So the packaging, come on, let's admire the packaging. Clink, it's so cute. I got 1, 2, 3 of these. They're so cute, and I have a 4th one. It's already in my purse. I'm telling you, when I put this on my hands, Everybody in the room's like, oh my God, what are you putting on your hands? It smells so good. I'm like, champagne toast, because it's so good. I did get 3, and these say fizz, but these are the champagne toast mini body washes. I wish. Mini body sprays. So I have 3 of these. So 3 and 3. So I got that. I did get this for 75% off. So this wasn't $2 holla. We're moving on to 75% off stuff. It's Love and Sunshine. It looks just like that. Love and Sunshine. And then I got so much stuff over here, y'all. And I'm trying to be quick before I lose sunlight. I got the Frosted Coconut Snowball. I kept telling y'all I'm not going to get the mist. I'm not going to get the mist. I ended up getting the mist. It looks just like this. And it was 75% off. And of course, when I was getting the 75% off stuff, at the time they were doing 10 off 30. So I was taking advantage of the 10 off 30. So I didn't just get 75% off. I got 10 off 30 on top of it. And then they had a day where they were doing $5.50, 1 in a million sprays. And I bought one. They convinced me to get one, so I bought one. The smell is not that bad. It's not one of my favorite fragrances. I would not buy a whole line of this, but the fragrance mist is not bad. It's not all that, but it's not bad. It's livable, okay? So I got one. It smells pretty good. It smells alright, but it's perfumey. So, and I'm not really a perfumey girl. I like sweet smelling stuff. The next thing I got was Waikiki Beach Coconut. Again, 75% off plus additional 10 off 30. I got the Tis the Season. This is a 2-in-1 bubble bath and body wash. And I've been loving taking bubble baths. So I definitely had to get this. And for 75% off, you can't beat it. For Justin, I did get him 2 White Rush. Looks just like that. Body washes. And I went ahead and got him the White Rush lotion because he's running low on his ocean lotion. So I got him that. So the next thing for 75% off is the Moonlight Path Diamond Shimmer. Y'all, I don't even mess with Moonlight Path like this, like that, but this smelled so good. So I had to get it. It was 75% off. Again, them 10 off 30s, they really came in handy. I've never seen this before, so I got it. It's called White Cosmic Cream. It's just a lotion. And I thought it was really cute, so I got that. I got the Winter Candy Apple. If you see my favorites, I told you the Winter Candy Apple, I loved it in the antibacterial hand, you know, because I didn't want too much of it. And this is really nice because this is just a shimmer body lotion. So I don't have to use too much of it. And I mainly am going to just use this on my hands. Another item, just trying to get the 75% stuff out first. Vanilla Bean Noel they had the Funfetti body scrubs. So of course I picked up 2 of them. They had so much. The face sheet mask, I got 2 of them. I want to use one tonight with my wherever I put those under iPad things. So I'm gonna have that tonight. I'm gonna use it tonight. I found this and I was like, oh my God, chestnut and argan. I wanted this so bad, and then I seen it. I was like, getting it. 75% off. My store has 75% off. If you're by outlet, again, I tell you, 75% off. They have it all the time. And I got a mini Winter Candy Apple because I don't like the scent a whole lot. So just a little mini. Just a little mini in it because I do like it sometimes. So to have a mini in it is really nice. I got a Vanilla Bean Marshmallow Candle. Zoom in. There it is. Yes, it smells so good. This smells so good. Oh my goodness. It says a comforting vanilla fragrance that evokes the sweetness of a homemade marshmallow. Love it. It smells really good. The next item I got actually was a second chestnut and argan. I got that by mistake. But I got a second chestnut and argan. Again, y'all, these items, I'm telling you, hello, I didn't spend that much for. Plus, a lot of them I got for free with my little gift cards from IBOTTA. It's not a game. I'm telling you, you need to make sure to get that app. I went ahead and got some 50% off stuff because they have 50% off stuff too. And normally I don't like paying 50% off, but these items I just had to have, plus it wasn't my money. All right. I got the Beach Night Summer Marshmallow, another one, because it is so good. I really like it. Plus another body wash. I had to re-up. I had to make sure I had a backup to my backup. And then I got another Juniper Breeze, because I told y'all Juniper Breeze is an excellent house spray. I don't like it on me, but I like it. My house smell like it. It smells really, really good, and it works well in Justin's room. So I got another Juniper Breeze. I got an Endless Weekend, little thing right there, 75% off. And then everything else is wallflowers, and these wallflowers were only $2. So yeah, they had $2 wallflowers. I got cucumber melon. I'm just gonna show it to you. I'm not gonna try to get all up in the camera with it. Another cucumber melon, black teak wood. I think that's gonna be really nice in the bathroom. And what else? One more black teak. And lastly, pocket bags. Y'all, they had them, they were on sale 40 cents. Okay, yes, I'm grabbing pocket bags. They were on sale for 40 cents. Okay, so I grabbed a bunch. So I have toasted s'mores. I'm not even gonna try to get all close because I don't know if it'll zoom. There's toasted s'mores. We got Bride Tribe. It smells so good. I think I have a few of those ones. We got Mary Cookie. Looks just like that. Oopsie. Twisted Peppermint. You guys know what Twisted Peppermint looks like. Yep, there it is. Looks like that. We have two more of the Mary Cookie. Looks just like that. And look at that one. It's holding in my shirt. That don't make no sense. I got that much boobs that's just holding in my shirt. Sorry guys. TMI. Okay, so two Bride Tribes. Zoom it. There it is. Bride Tribes. And the last one, Toasted S'mores. Zoom it. And that's that one. So that's it, guys. That's everything in this edition of my Bath & Body Works haul for the month of March. So this is gonna be the only one that's coming up this month. It is my birthday month, so go Aries. It's your birthday. I think it's Pisces too. Go, it's your birthday, but it's mainly Aries because that's what I am. So I'm gonna be celebrating for the Aries. So you know, so my birthday is March 28th. So I am gonna have a birthday haul coming, and it's not gonna have any Bath & Body Works in it. So sorry guys, but it will have Pink and Victoria's Secrets because they sent me some buku coupons. Yeah, but yeah, so that's all my Bath & Body Works items I wanted to show you guys for the month of March. So next month, be prepared. Beginning of the month, we're gonna start off with another haul from Bath & Body Works. So any releases that come out, I will be showing you guys at that time. Last thing I need from you guys, make sure you check out Ibotta. I'm telling you, you grocery shopping, you need this app. It just makes sense. You'll get money back. Like right now, they're giving $1 back when you buy Trix cereal, Honey Bunches of Oats, I think, or Honey Nut Cheerios. Oh my goodness, there's one by Post that they had on there, Honey Bunches of Oats, which I really like, and the Almond Oats ones. There's like so many deals. Like, you have to check it out because majority of this stuff I showed you guys, I paid nothing for. I cashed out for my gift card and went straight to Bath & Body Works like, there's my gift card. Okay, so why spend money when you don't have to, especially when you got kids and they need stuff? Why not just do your regular grocery shopping and getting money? You know what I mean? Getting your little makeup items you need and getting money. I think my Rimmel item I just bought like a week ago, I got $2 back because they were giving $2, and I think they're still doing that right now, $2 back on your Rimmel purchases. Like, all you have to do is take your receipt, you take a picture of your receipt, you find your offers. A lot of times it match offers for you, but sometimes you have to find your offers, and then boom, you get your offer. And sometimes you have to scan the barcode, and you just scan it with your phone. You just take a picture of it, boom, redeem. It's simple. And they even got now where you can go on like different sites and do like an eBay's cashback thing. Is sick. Like, you definitely need to check it out. Check it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. I'm losing lighting. Bye.